Hi guys, so my friend at school said my edits were fake. The ones who bug on my why am I in Roblox? So I'm gonna prove him wrong. So I have CapCut, that's why I always use the edit. I don't sign in, just use it. This was my last edit. By far, yeah.
Come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4,
So you see it's not fake, and the animation I used was rock, I don't know. Yeah, I can't read. And then oh, frick. And then I just used effects to do the thing. So yeah, so that's how I edit. And yeah, that's it. See? So it's not fake. It's real. Real CapCut. So yeah. And I just basically do all of my edits here. See? I didn't get any views for this. Look you see that? Wait, what? Oh, I deleted it. It was a picture of Naruto and Sasuke.